Hello guys, welcome back. It's Son of Thins, but for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix the Lenovo laptop mouse keeps disappearing. Now, if you're interested, let's get started. Now, if your mouse here for your Lenovo laptop keeps missing, well, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you kind of reset your touchpad. So in this case, you want to go to your search at the very bottom here, just type in touchpad, and you want to open up touchpad settings. Now from here, you want to turn off touchpad and turn it back on. Now once you've done that, you want to go and close it and basically see if that solves the issue. Now another thing that you may want to do here is you want to update your mouse settings. So at the bottom here, just type in search in the search bar here, just type in mouse settings, and from here open it up. And in here, you want to go ahead and just scroll down a bit. And by the way, you could turn off enhanced pointer precision and turn it on and see if that actually helps. But yeah, so let's go and scroll down a bit here. You want to click on additional mouse settings. Now from here, we want to go and go to pointer options, and you want to make sure that you disable the option here that says automatically move pointer to default button in dialog box. Now the thing with this one is whenever a dialog box appears here, it will automatically move your pointer to the default button in the dialog box. So sometimes it might disappear if this is turned on. Now also, you may want to turn off the setting here that says hide pointer while typing. So whenever you're typing something, sometimes this will hide your mouse, which in this case you don't want that to happen. So once you've turned off all necessary information here, just click or settings here, click on apply at the bottom right here and click on OK. And that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Son of Thins. Thank you for watching.